This is my plant. I grow this in water. It is almost 3 months that I got this from the mother plant. It is a mix of golden pothos and pink splash. So I noticed that the leaves was growing very good, and it is very nice. So why you should not try this one? So it is just easy to put this inside your home and to make it as a decor. So um, the roots are growing in water, and the leaves also was very nice too. It is already very lushful and very healthy. So try this, and you can grow it in water actually. um, Look at that, the leaves was very nice, very pretty leaves, and very healthy. Nasa loob ng bahay siya, so madali lang. Every now and then, i-change nyo lang ang water niya para yung stock na water ma-new na naman. Look at that, the roots are growing still in water, and the leaves is coming out. So it is very nice and nice to look at inside your home. So try this, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.